How to assemble a paper air rocket. Step 1. Cut out the paper air rocket template. Step 2. Use the launcher pipe as a guide to roll the body tube of the rocket. Tape the body tube to maintain its shape. Step 3. Use masking tape to wrap the paper body to give it strength. Add an extra layer for further strength. Step 4. Cover the nose cone template with tape. Sticky side. Cut out the nose cone outline. Step 5. Cover the 4 tail fins with tape to strengthen them. Trim each rocket fin to fit the tape. Pressure cap. Step 6. Fit and secure pressure cap to the rocket body. Tape crisscrossed over the pressure cap a few times to ensure cap is secured. Failing to do this will result in rocket blowout during air launch. assemble the rocket cone head and use the waste material from the template cutout to stuff into the rocket cone. This will harden the rocket cone for impact landing. Tape the rocket cone to maintain the cone shape. Stuff and compact the waste paper material into the rocket cone to harden the rocket head for impact during landing. Step 8. Join and tape the cone to the main body of the rocket. Step 9. Fold the fins by folding along the dotted lines to form M shape. Do the same for the remaining 3 tail fins. Align the 4 fins together and cut to shape the tail fins. This is an optional step. Step 10. Tape the tail fins to the rocket body. decorate your air rocket. You are ready to launch.